video, and today we are in partnership with DYU. It's an e-bike, foldable e-bike that you can carry, and it's very portable, lightweight, and today we're going to show you how you can build this awesome piece of kit and a little review at the end.
Hi there, so I'm here doing the DYU, actually putting the thing together, which actually is very simple. So the bike comes already pre-folded. As you can see there, the handlebars there are folded down, and you've got a handle grip here which is quite good to bring it up, so you could lift that up. And on the side here at the back you've got a built-in little kickstand which allows you now to work on it. Okay, so nice and simple really. We've got the pedals put on which are clearly marked left and right, and all they do is comes with a handy little spanner. All you're going to do is attach this here onto the actual pedal arm. You can hand tighten these quite nicely, pre-greased, which is nice. Once you get to a certain point, then you can just tighten up with your spanner. Okay, I've already pre-done the left one, so left and right are on. Okay, next part is to put the saddle on. As you can see, it's adjustable, so it depends on the height of yourself where you want to adjust that to. The saddle itself is sprung and it looks a very comfortable saddle, so that would be all right actually to sit on that for some journey. So that all this does, it slots in here, adjusts it to your height when you try to ride it. On here you've got the manual adjustment here. When you get to the correct height you need, it just clips in. Okay, next part is to bring the handlebars up. It comes pre-stowed like this, so obviously if you're travelling then you can just leave it down and carry it for all storage in the back of your car. All it does is you pull it up. It's already on a hinge system here. It gets up nice and level here, and you've got a little hinge here which then clips into the bike for added peace of mind and security in case it accidentally clips off. You've got a retaining clip which clips in there to stop that happening. So we've got a back mudguard. The front one is already pre-fitted here, but obviously, you know, for if you're going through puddles and dirt stuff, you want some protection. And all this does here, you've got a little Allen key on the back of here with a washer. Just undo that. That places through here, through your mudguard. You can adjust it. What I would be inclined to do is to hand tighten that first, and it's got an adjustment on the on here, so that when you get to where it's nearly tight, you can adjust up the height so it doesn't get caught on the tyre. Okay, it comes with a built-in front light here, which is already pre-done, which I'll show you in a moment working. But on the back here, it comes with a reusable one that you can now just clip on the back. You can either fit it down low here, or if you've got room on your pedal, I would suggest you probably do it at the top here. It's just a little retaining clip here that will fit into here.
Thank you for watching this YouTube video in partnership with DYU. As you can see, it's such a simple conversion, anyone can do it. You don't have to be a bike mechanic. Gonna do a review on this video, test it out, and we'll see you in the next YouTube video. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment. Link to this product will be in the description below.